Halloween Mysteries Uncovered, 10 Facts That Will Haunt Your Imagination. Halloween, the spooky season that sends chills down our spines and fills the air with an air of mystery, has more secrets than you might think. Prepare to be enchanted and intrigued as we delve into the depths of Halloween lore while tufting a Halloween rug, uncovering 10 fascinating facts that will haunt your imagination and make you see this bewitching holiday in a whole new light. 1. The origin of jack-o'-lanterns. Jack-o'-lanterns originated from an Irish myth about a man named Stingy Jack, who was a crafty Irishman that tricked the devil multiple times, leading to his fate of wandering with a lantern. Unable to enter heaven or hell upon his death, Jack was given a burning coal by the devil. He placed it inside a turnip, creating the first jack-o'-lantern, inspiring the Halloween tradition. 2. Trick-or-treating's ancient roots. The tradition of trick-or-treating has roots in the ancient Celtic festival of Samhain. People believed that offering treats and food to spirits would protect them from harm. 3. The haunting history of Halloween costumes. Halloween costumes were initially meant to ward off evil spirits. The first costumes were often made of animal skins and heads. These days, Halloween costumes are worn to unleash creativity, transform into characters, and immerse in the festive Halloween spirit. They allow people to express individuality, ward off evil spirits in ancient tradition, and join in the playful and communal atmosphere of the holiday. 4. The mysterious black cats. Black cats were once believed to be witches' familiars and were associated with dark magic. Black cats, steeped in superstition and folklore, have captivated human imagination for centuries. Revered as bringers of good luck in some cultures and feared as omens of misfortune in others, their mysterious aura has made them enduring symbols of both magic and mystery. Before we continue, don't forget to comment your favorite Halloween fact below if we missed any. Give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more tufted topics. 5. Samhainophobia, the fear of Halloween. Samhainophobia is a rare but real phobia, referring to the fear of Halloween. People with samhainophobia often dread the costumes, decorations, and eerie atmosphere of the holiday. Some people are scared of clowns, some are scared of spiders, and even some are scared of Halloween. 6. The legend of the Headless Horseman. The Headless Horseman, a spectral figure from Washington Irving's The Legend of Sleepy Hollow, gallops through the realm of American folklore, haunting the dreams of generations. With a pumpkin for a head, this chilling character embodies the spine-tingling essence of Halloween, leaving an indelible mark on the Halloween traditions and ghostly tales. 7. Halloween and full moon. Halloween and full moons are often linked in folklore, leading to the belief that supernatural events are more likely to occur on Halloween nights with a full moon. The last Halloween full moon occurred in 2020 and won't happen again until 2039. Remember the date, mark it on your calendar now so you have a fair warning when it's near. 8. All Saints' Day and All Hallows' Eve. Halloween, or All Hallows' Eve, is the night before All Saints' Day, a Christian holiday honoring saints and martyrs. All Saints' Day was originally created to replace the Celtic festival of Samhain. 9. The haunting tale of Houdini and Halloween. Renowned escape artist Harry Houdini died on Halloween night in 1926. Some people believe his spirit visits the magician's grave every Halloween. 10. Halloween around the world. While Halloween originated in Ireland, it is celebrated in various forms around the world. In Mexico, it is known as Dia de los Muertos, Day of the Dead, a festive celebration honoring deceased loved ones. Do you have a topic you want us to go over and tuft a rug about? Drop a like and subscribe for more tufted topics, weekly.